You may be wondering kung saan kami nagstay sa Malapascua Island. So, eto na siya, guys. This is where we stayed. This hotel resort is actually called Blue Corals Beach Resort. I think meron ding Blue Corals in Batangas, Zambales, I think, and in other places. This one, I booked this in booking.com. I didn't pay anything nung nagbook ako. I booked for 3 nights and it cost me like 9,450 pesos lang. And that includes breakfast already. Good for 4 people. So, sobrang sulit niya talaga. And then when we arrive here in Malapascua, that's the time that I paid the 9,450 cash dun sa tao sa desk nila, dun sa front desk. So, ayun. And actually, I wanna be honest, since this is my vlog, I was on the verge on canceling this reservation in booking.com. It is because of a certain review that I read a few days before our trip. On that particular review, sinasabi nung tao na hindi maganda yung experience niya because nagkaroon siya ng issue sa booking and then she or he was not refunded, anything, something like that. So, ayun, I tried looking for another accommodation that suits our budget, suits my budget, but I wasn't able to find any. So, I stick with the booking. I just prayed na sana it's just one time bad review and it's not really that bad at all. So, ayun, nagstick ako sa accommodation na to and that's the best decision that I've made. Sobrang ganda, guys, and even my nanay and my sister, even si Flo, nagandahan sila. And this is the perfect accommodation that you can get here sa Malapascua. It's affordable, it's efficient, it's efficient, and at the same time, why did I use the word efficient? Not efficient, but this is travel friendly. Why? It's because it's just near the port. It's a 3 to 4 minutes walk sa port, and then from the resort itself, you can go to other places na pwede ka ring magpunta dun sa may barbecue sa gabi. Pwede kayong lumabas, whatever you wanna do. Ang error ko lang somehow is sa sobrang pag-e-enjoy ko, nakalimutan kong magpunta ng Bounty Beach. Yun pa naman yung gusto kong puntahan dito aside dun sa island hopping, sa Kalangaman Island, etc. Nakalimutan naming mag-visit sa Bounty Beach, which is also one of the best spots that you can visit here sa Malapascua. So, meaning to say, may part 2, guys. Okay? Not this year. I'm not sure if next year. Whatever. So, ayun. This is our room. It's cozy. But of course, since natulugan na namin, and sorry, kasi wala akong ibang video and natutulog si Flo this time. I think this is our first day and sobrang pagod niya galing sa work. So, ayun, may mini ref, mayroon dong table. Ito naman yung likod bahay nila, guys. This is papunta dun sa parang pinaka-swimming area na halos katapat lang ng room namin pag sumilip ka dun sa veranda. So, na-curious kami how to go here. So, sinabi ni ate sa likod ang daan. So, ayan, parang may daanan dun. And then, pagpunta mo dun sa front, medyo mabato lang, pero okay naman. We weren't able to swim here. We just took some photos, some videos. And ito rin yung lugar, yung daanan papunta dun sa Tipani Beach sa kabila. Na kabilang resort siya actually. I already asked if okay lang na magpunta from here to there kahit na hindi kami nakastay dun sa Tipani. Sabi naman nila okay lang naman yun. We tried actually to go to Tipani from here nung next morning, pero sobrang aga yata nung punta namin. So, pagpunta namin doon, sarado pa yung Tipani. Kaya, bumalik na lang kami dito sa resort namin. Ayan. So, ito yung gilid ng accommodation. Ayan. gilid ng accommodation namin, and it's really nice. It's just that pag mataas yung or sobrang ng imagination mo, hindi masyadong magiging appealing for you. Why? Kasi yung Tiffany Resort, ang katabi niya is local cemetery. Ayan o. I did not focus on it kasi ayoko naman siyang maging issue on this video. Hindi naman siya issue at all to them, even sa Tiffany establishment, kasi regardless meron silang katabing ganon, mukhang okay naman yung kanilang negosyo. And for some people nga, ano pa yan swerte, right? So ito guys, yung beach, wala siyang lumot here, medyo mabato lang. You have to keep your slippers on if you want to go for a swim. And may oras naman sa araw na na medyo swimmable, siguro kapag bandang tanghali. Pero kasi itong time na to, this is early morning. Kaya medyo high tide pa siya and mabato at the same time. So we didn't bother for a swim, but I think we tried swimming nung last day namin bago kami pumunta ng Cebu. Ayan. So this is us going back na sa taas since we're done taking pictures and videos sa likod bahay. So ayan, safe naman siya guys. Baka iniisip nyo may mga ahas, no, wala. Very safe. Perhaps if hindi nila na-maintain or hindi sila nag-groom, nagtatanggal-tanggal ng mga damo, baka sakali may magstay dyan na kung ano-ano. But from what I saw, they are able to manage naman the resort well. And the owner of the resort is from Germany or Switzerland, I'm not sure. Most people na nagstay are actually foreigners.